Hi, my name is Evan Vanek, and my group was the Milkweeds and Pollinators group. My group members' names were Renee Rodriguez, Jared Harnett, Jared Payne, myself, Victoria Cardenas, and Sinhao Yang. Our group project description was our primary task being planting seedlings and seeds into pots and water them as needed. Our goal was to create an overall good project, becoming better communicators and collaborators, ensuring work is done in a timely manner while learning about our environment and the importance of learning from hands-on projects such as planting seedlings such as the milkweeds and watch them grow over time. Our form of communication was mainly GroupMe. However, sometimes we had used email to reach out to a few group members who were not responding to our GroupMe calls. We also created an Excel document in Google, and each group member was required to put their time and day that they went to the greenhouse to collect and check up on the seedlings and water the plants. This was done mainly just to keep in the loop with our group members and to make sure that they're being held accountable for what they have already done. Our team upheld the Aggie core values when we worked on our group project. We maintained a clean working environment and allowed for ideas to be shared in a respectful manner. Members of our group did not physically, verbally, or digitally be inappropriate, as this was a very professional project that we carried out. Basically, what my team and I did was arrive at the greenhouse off University and Agronomy, whether by ourselves or in a small group. I myself worked with Ms. Cardenas, and we examined the bags of seedlings laid out for our use and set up the small plastic planting pots. After this, we grabbed a handful of nutrition-filled soil to fill the plastic pots with. We then planted the seedlings in the soil and watered them down. Luckily, with this project being in a greenhouse, we did not have to worry about the variable weather conditions, making our project more credible to this class. Our group did a very good job going about this project very professionally. There was not much risk management in this project as we had planned in our project management plan. No one behaved wildly, no one upset group members, no one needed financial support for the class, no one had any communication issues. Everyone was very good about getting on top of their work and getting done what needed to be done in order to be successful on this project. The results of the project were what we expected as a group. The milkweeds grew at a very fast pace, making it often difficult to track its growth day by day. However, the results and the impact of the project related to the growth of our seedlings, giving off necessary nutrients to the soil to continue the cycle of growth. The impact of this project was the understanding of how seedlings such as the milkweeds help and contribute to the environment, such as the monarch butterflies. Monarch butterflies pollinate these kind of plants such as the milkweeds, while the milkweeds provide necessary nutrients for the butterflies' survival. As a whole group, we decided that future projects and future research regarding the milkweeds plants and our project could include projects such as different fertilizations that could help the plant's growth over time. The milkweeds grew very fast, such as other seedlings did, but I'd say our group is very curious to see how these seedlings would do under different kinds of fertilization methods. And especially being outside the greenhouse. The greenhouse provided an environment that was very constant for these plants to grow in. Our group is also curious to see how these plants would do in a real environment with different weathering conditions. In general, this project definitely made an impact on how I view entomology and plants in general. It was very cool seeing the growth of the seedlings from stage 1 to the very end, seeing the results and the impact that it has on the soil and other animals that that need the plant to survive. But in general, I would say this project went very well, ran very smoothly, and I plan on looking into more further research in the future.